Hello and welcome, guys. So today we'll see how you can add one more menu here and some content within that particular page. Okay, so this LMS will give you enough flexibility. You can create your n number of pages and you can put your static content within that page. Okay, so let's get started with that. So for that, we'll have the admin right. So I am already here within the admin login area, and under general you can see. So if you are not here, you can click on the logo. Then under site administration, you see here the general tab that will be the by default active, and the bottommost you will find the static pages. Okay, so if I click on this static pages, I can see this simple document I can upload here. Okay, so I can create a document and upload here, and this document will be, you can see here, the HTML document it will take. Okay, so I am going to open a chat GPT. Give me a simple HTML file with sample contact details. Okay, so here I am going to press enter, and this will give me the response. So and yeah, it will take some time here, but yes, I am going to open a notepad, this, and here I am going to paste that particular content that is coming from the response of this chat GPT. Okay, so this is save. I will have to save this file, so I am going to save it in download. Okay, so the name itself I am going to put here the sample.html file. Let me save this one. Okay, and you can see here I save this within this download directory, and then you see here the sample. If I open this, I can see the details like this. Okay, so you can change these details as per your need, and this is the file I am going to use here. So I can simply browse, because I have already created a file. This is just a very simple one. In case you need to create a more interactive, or you have to add more content, you can add that one. Okay, so content you can modify here in case required. Got it? But let it be whatever is coming, because it's a sample one. So now I am going to browse a page here and click on upload and save. Now if I come here on the bottommost, I can see the button list of static pages, and here I can see the one I just uploaded, the link. The static page is available and can be linked to at the following standard URL. Okay, so this one I can open in a tab, and if I click on that, I can see the content of that particular page. Okay, now I can simply copy this URL, because I have to add here on top. Okay, so here on top I have to add. So I will come here under appearances, then under themes, edit, so menu, basically the menu I will have to update. So again, that is not the correct step. Advanced theme setting, yes. So I can see here, and I can add the list like this. Okay, for example, it is saying the courses, and this is the URL. Got it? So let me try this one. Sample. Let's say contact info. Got it? So this is the file, and let me try saving this and check whether it is working or not. And if I save that one, I can see here the button on top, contact info. Got it? And if I click on that particular button, I can see the detail like this. Got it? So this is how you can create your pages. So in case you have additional page, suppose you have an exam, okay, and you want to add here the exam notification button with some content here, then how you can do that? Again, we'll have to come back into general, then under static pages, you can see here there is a one file. Okay, you'll have to create another one. Let's say exam, and you can simply edit your content by opening this in a notepad. Okay, so let's see the title. Here you can say exam details, final exam. Okay, contact email. Let's say in case anyone have the query, they can contact this address. I don't want to put this time, and you can update yes email ID. Let's say exam. Okay, phone number let it be, but in case you have to update, you can try updating this one. And I just save this one. So this is how I can create a HTML. So you don't have to much worry around. You can simply use the chat GPT. In case you don't have to edit here, you can also put here, create me a nice looking HTML page with the details, that is the email ID, this one, and the title of that. Then in this case you will have this ready made, and you can simply copy this one and paste here like I created the sample HTML. Okay, so I am assuming this is done, the changes I am done with in exam.html. Then how I will be able to use this? So first again I will have to come here on this page, and I will update that additional page, this exam, and I can save. And here I will have to click on the save changes. Now again I will come on bottom of the page and list all the static pages. Then I will be able to see the two list here. Okay, the one is exam and other one is this link, that is sample, that is already given here, and that is coming under contact info. Got it? So this is the link, and if I click on that link, I can see the information I updated there. Okay, so example details is there. So this one I have created, but in case you have to update the details, then how you will be able to? You can simply come again into that page, got it, and you can update. Where you can update? You can update here. Again under the general sections, static pages, I will have to click on documents, and I will be deleting this older one, and I will be uploading here the latest update, this one. Got it? And yes, overwrite. And suppose you accidentally deleted that one, and if I reload this, my changes will be coming here again. Okay, so I have to delete this exam one, not the sample one. And again I am going to add exam, load this file and save. Okay, so here in this case I can see contact information that is already coming. Now I have uploaded the content here. Okay, so this is the sample one, and this is local one. I'm going to close everything. Again under general, how I can access? I can also access from here. list of static pages. I can see the exam one, this one. So I have to add here now. Okay, so after contact info, I have to add that button. So for that, we'll have to come under the site administration, appearances, advanced theme settings, and I will simply copy this and paste here the same thing. And I will update the info like exam details. Yeah, notice you can say. And I will be using this as an URL there. Okay, so now I'm done with the changes and I will click on the save changes and I can see the impact here. It is started appearing exam notice. Okay, so this is how you can create n number of tab here in case you need, and you can start putting here. But the thing is, you will have to create HTML file and you will have to add your information. So that's it from this video. This is how you can use the plugin, that is local pages you can create and you can upload and you can link wherever you want. Thank you for watching and have a great day ahead.